A controversial court decision in Alabama has injected doubt into an increasingly common procedure. In vitro fertilization is conducted more than 400,000 times a year in the U.S., but nearly 170,000 embryos do not get used, and owners have the legal right to destroy, store, or donate them. As Barry Purston reports, the decision to donate can be life-changing.
5-year-old Joshua was born from an embryo donated by James and Aislinn Estes.
When we visited last, Joshua needed help with something and his mom was busy. So he was running around the house and he's like, genetic mom, can you help me tie my shoe? And I was like, oh, that's really cute.
The Esteses used the Snowflake's embryo adoption program where donors choose who gets their eggs. Kimberly Tyson is Snowflake's vice president.
The donor kind of drives the bus, if you will, on the matching process.
Some programs like Snowflake's call the process an adoption because they believe life begins at conception. But courts have generally said life begins when it is sustainable outside the womb. Now, the Alabama Supreme Court, in a landmark ruling, says an embryo is a child and its destruction is a wrongful death. The American Society for Reproductive Medicine warned that modern fertility care will now be unavailable in Alabama, and some Alabama doctors and hospitals have paused their work with embryos for fear of potential criminal prosecution. For now, the process remains unchanged in other states, including Colorado, where Levi Carpenter is here thanks to a donated embryo after Melissa and Aaron say they exhausted all the other options. And Levi now has a baby sister, Elena, from the same donor family.
Even if they're not genetically related to us, at least there's that genetic relation to each other.
And putting aside the political and legal debate, it's about the happiness of being a parent and basking in the smile of a child. Barry Peterson, CBS News, Denver.